Hey friends, if you spend a lot of time sitting or just feel a little stiff, I've got you. Today, I'm sharing a simple Hatha Yoga flow to build a strong and flexible spine. Let's start with cat-cow. Come on to hands and knees. Inhale, arch your back, lift your head and tailbone. This is cow. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin. Hello, cat. Flow between these two for a few breaths. Next, Cobra pose. Lie on your belly, hands under your shoulders. Inhale, gently lift your chest off the mat, keeping elbows close. Feel that stretch along your spine? Breathe here. Now, let's bridge. Lie on your back, feet hip-width apart. Press into your feet, lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes and keep your knees in line. Last one, Locust. Lie on your belly, arms by your sides. Inhale, lift your chest. Inhale, lift your arms. Inhale, lift your legs. Hold for a breath or two. Practicing these poses regularly can relieve back pain, improve posture, strengthen your core. Plus, you'll feel more energized and more relaxed. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more easy yoga tips. Your spine will thank you. See you on the mat next time.